It's been a while, but I am back. I am back with this new product review from Angel Jacket. So let's get to the bread and butter of this review. All right, so I got this brown suede leather jacket from the brand called Angel Jacket. The outer is made with 100% real leather, while the lining is made with 100% polyester according to the tag. It has two front closure pockets, two side pockets that are deep enough to put your phones and other stuff, two big inside pockets, and a small inside leather made pocket where it's specifically designed to put your phone. It has a spread collar and it has that adjustable button by the hem. And as for the fit, I got this in medium size and it's pretty nice on me. Alright. That's pretty much the description that I could share about this leather jacket. I mean, let's talk about my first impression. So packaging wise, this leather came from a flimsy, wrinkly box. Kinda disappointed with the packaging because it says experience the luxury. But I ended up with this crappy box. I may nitpicking stuff, but opening this package, it has that plasticky scent that came with it instead of the nice leather scent. So you can already tell I'm already disappointed with this because I expect more with real leather with this suede jacket. I mean, don't get me wrong, I am impressed with the look. I love the dark brown color, very fall color vibe, and the fit is very nice on me. Like, I could see myself styling this with different outfits, but that's just how far my likeness about this suede jacket. The rest, you may want to get some popcorn because I am ready to talk about the stuff that I don't like about this jacket, or maybe the brand in general. So first, let's dive in with their labeling. They mentioned the word 100% real leather. This sounds already sketchy for me because who does that anyways? Like, you have to be more specific what type of leather or fabric that the item is made of. Like, at least say 100% genuine leather or 100% full grain leather, whatever. Whatever it was made of, just don't put 100% real leather because that sounds too generic. Also, this is not the scent of real leather to me. I own a couple of pairs of full grain leather shoes or suede jacket, and they don't smell like a burnt chemical. Anyways, I emailed them about this and this is the response that I got. I'd like to provide some clarification concerning the material of the jacket. It is crafted from genuine lambskin leather. Suede is produced from the underside of the hide, resulting in a thinner, more supple leather. Suede is classified as split leather as opposed to full grain leather. Regarding the odor issue, allowing the jacket to air out for a day typically dissipate any lingering smell. This odor is primarily a result of the jacket being enclosed in shipping packaging without proper ventilation. Fellas, I am not a leather expert or any type of leather guru or whatever, but based on my experience, I smell BS. The fact that this leather jacket costs only about $280 retail price, you can already tell there's something off about this. Typically, genuine leather would cost me at least $300. Also, the fact that this jacket feels lightweight in comparison to my other suede jacket is another indication that this is not so great quality leather. Listen, I don't really like to talk ill about this suede jacket, but I had to state the facts from what I'm saying. I mean, this is why I do my honest review in the first place anyways. All right, let's get down to my final thoughts about this suede jacket from Angel Jackets. Honestly, it's a good looking jacket. I already stated how I love the fit and the color, but that's about it. Is it made with great quality? Definitely not. Is this something I would recommend to you guys? The short answer is no, but hear me out for a second. If you're looking for a great quality leather jacket that will last you decades, then this brand is not for you, okay? There are other leather jacket companies that serve those. For example, Wilson Leather and Todd Snyder. They sell legit great quality leather jackets, but the price is up there, so be mindful of that. On the other hand, if you're just going for the look or for the fit and don't want to pay an arm and leg for a leather jacket, then Angel Jackets is for you. So that's my quick product review of the suede leather jacket from Angel Jackets. Question: which leather jacket company would you recommend for fellas out there who are looking for budgeted but great quality leather jacket? Let me know in the comment section below, and as always, have a good day everyone. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.